Elon Musk publicly criticized the iPhone. With that, he evaluated Apple as a company and discussed the biggest problems that this tech giant currently has. That's why Elon Musk just sent a very harsh warning to Apple to ban all Apple devices across all Musk-owned companies and platforms forever. And why? Because Apple will integrate OpenAI on Apple devices. And this is a very big decision. This is just the beginning of a massive war between Musk and Tim Cook. According to Musk, with this OpenAI integration, every single Apple device and iPhone is no longer private and no longer safe to use. Our personal information is no longer protected. But is this the truth? Let's explain everything. So lately, it's been a tough period for Apple, which faces several serious issues and various legal battles. First, the company was caught cheating in business by trying to destroy competitors like Cydia. With that, another complaint accuses Apple of unfairly charging and taking money from clients for every single transaction in Apple Pay. The situation is so bad that the EU got involved and accused Apple of being unfair. As a result, the tech giant might be fined an astonishing $36.6 billion. And now one new problem is coming from Elon Musk. Today, to a post on X that questioned OpenAI's integrity after its recent argument with Scarlett Johansson about voiceover work, Elon Musk replied, "Exactly. And why? Well, earlier today, Apple introduced many new AI features for its apps and operating systems and announced a partnership with OpenAI to bring ChatGPT technology to its devices. Apple stated that its AI is designed with privacy as a key focus, using both on-device processing and cloud computing to run these features. In a series of posts, Musk announced that if Apple, led by Tim Cook, partners with OpenAI, then all Apple products will be banned from X, Tesla, SpaceX, The Boring Company, and any other company he owns. He also said it would be an unacceptable security violation if Apple integrates OpenAI into its operating systems. Apple has been slow to embrace artificial intelligence, and the CEO was clearly trying to catch up. Cook introduced Apple Intelligence as the central AI hub for their devices and cloud services. Within this system, Apple is also integrating OpenAI and its ChatGPT into their operating systems. Despite all the talk about privacy, using ChatGPT on Apple devices will involve OpenAI servers. According to Apple, user and profile information will remain hidden. The main goal of the partnership is to answer questions that Apple Intelligence currently can't, Cook promised. Musk wrote on Twitter, "It's patently absurd that Apple isn't smart enough to make their own AI, yet is somehow capable of ensuring that OpenAI will protect your security and privacy. Apple has no clue what's actually going on once they hand your data over to OpenAI. They're selling you down the river." It's important to note that Musk has criticized OpenAI before. In March, the Tesla CEO sued OpenAI and its top executives for breach of contract. The lawsuit, filed in California, claimed that OpenAI should follow its original mission of developing AI for the benefit of humanity, rather than for personal gain or the benefit of the world's largest tech company. In response, OpenAI dismissed Musk's lawsuit as incoherent. They said that if the case went to court, evidence would show that Musk had supported making OpenAI a for-profit company under his control, but abandoned the project when things didn't go his way. OpenAI also said Musk now wants to claim the success they've achieved for himself. The recent context is that Musk has launched his own AI product. Last month, he raised an impressive $6 billion in a new funding round for his AI startup xAI, with significant investment from Saudi Arabia's Kingdom Holding Company. Now, xAI is valued at over $20 billion. The company's Grok chatbot is in beta testing and available to paid subscribers of X Premium. This is happening while Musk faces a critical moment at Tesla with a shareholder meeting on June 13th. The meeting will vote on a controversial $56 billion payout Musk was supposed to receive from Tesla, and on officially moving Tesla's headquarters from Delaware to Texas. Musk wants both to be approved, especially since he mostly lives in Texas now. In April, Musk told Tesla employees that the company would be cutting about 10% of its workforce, which is over 140,000 people, to save money. Tesla's shares fell about 2% on Monday, closing at $173.79. Apple did not respond to requests for comment on Musk's post today. In this past week has been very eventful in the tech world. Musk also denounced Apple for their plans to improve Siri. Elon also criticized Steve Jobs' decision not to use open-source technologies. Musk shared his opinion on X, agreeing with a post that said Apple could be much more advanced than its competitors if they used open-source methods. Apple revealed publicly that it uses its own AI, and connecting with OpenAI is optional. That's when Musk responded to a post from Tim Cook, saying he would ban Apple devices from his companies unless Cook stopped using what he called creepy spyware. He also mentioned that visitors to his companies would need to leave their Apple devices at the entrance. What Apple is trying to now add to the narrative is when data leaves and goes to the secure private cloud, it's similarly taking that same user data anonymization and firewalling of that information to you. Apple really never sees that, Musk said. It's important to point out that Musk helped start OpenAI in 2015 and left its board in 2018. Recently, he has criticized the company and its CEO, Sam Altman. In March, Musk sued OpenAI and Altman, claiming they strayed from the original goal of creating AI to benefit all of humanity. And that's it for today. For interesting Musk videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.